ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Step into paradise at Mausen Telang Nongwar, your sustainable escape into nature's heart.
Ka Maharashtra hakalyang junction rang bat ka Rajasthan hakalyang kinthe klayo ra ek nam LAHDUH haka foot senior rollerball federation cup lapinlong tag Meghalaya rollerball association haka balation benta lagi hatway tili kikin ho junction rang bat kinthe na ki jula pher jong kari India haka de lumpung ilakai ka arsni lapinlong ha basketball coach jang St Anthony's Higher Secondary School la imkra shillong ka blakut no haka sni ublay country tur ujamang ara cha pusau lapin ha perda the working president ki Meghalaya State Olympic Association uba John Kharshiye belong kum kongsan bat ula sam ki khusnam chicken hon ki job haka de lumpung ilakai haka ne ju kun final haka liang jong ki kinthe ka Tamil Nadu kelawan haka kedan ka bar bat ka Assam kelawan haka kedan ka balai haka liang jong shin rang ka Jharkhand kelawan haka kedan ka baar bat ka Rajasthan kelawan haka kedan ka balai.
We have with us Tapan Acharya, who is the president of the Federation Rollerball in India. Sir, can you tell us something about the game that has enthusiasts, the youths and the students that have switched up to the national level till the international level?
Very interesting. So what happens is this game was invented and developed by Mr. Raju Dabade in Pune. This is an indigenous game, what you call as made in India, made in Bharat, whatever you call. So it is made in India, made in Bharat, and it is our indigenous game. We are here expanding ourselves in Meghalaya, northeast region of India. We have a strong presence in all the states, all the union territories, including northeast. The Indian Parliament has around 543 districts. We have covered, by now we have covered more than 400 districts altogether. So that is the depth of the game where we are. Besides India, we are having a global presence. We have global presence in almost 65 nations and republics of the world. This game has conducted, our federation has conducted 6 World Cups. 6 World Cups. This is the 4th Federation Cup. That is a Federation Cup is of course hosted by Indian Federation. So it's a Federation Cup hosted in Meghalaya by enthusiastic young boy who is a secretary of our association of Meghalaya. He is hosted this Federation Cup for the very first time in Meghalaya. Other than this, we have been hosting. We have almost 1.5 lakh, 2 lakh players registered with us in India who are enthusiastically taking participations in junior championship, under 14, under 17, under 11. So we have even now we are trying to explore a category called as Masters, apart from being in Open. Recently, we did junior 14, under 14 championship in Uttarakhand last week, and this week I'm in Meghalaya again. So from those hills to this hills, from Himachal to Northeast Hills. So we are constantly having our games, matches, and during those matches we have discovered and decided that now we need to create an opportunity for the players, for the encashment. The game has reached that stage in its pattern, in its organic pattern in last 20 to 25 years where we have world players registration more than 9 lakhs plus. We have world players registration more than 9 lakhs. So with all these things coming in place, we see that this is going to be the next game, because in this game you can see speed, non-predictability, agility. The kids have to be having focus, deep focus, detailed focus, and a lot of skills is involved into it. A regular skater won't be able to sustain in our court. You need to be a skater who is next level skater. Those skaters only can sustain in the. It's not about speed. It's not about a skater who can speed up well. No, it's about how the skater has good control. It is for those people. It is a class apart for the skaters who are really good with their skating skills. You need to be a class apart skater to be a part of this game. With this game now we are coming with leagues. Leagues apart from National League, like how you have IPL or football, we are coming with a league that is there. Besides that, there will be multiple number of leagues which will be hosted by multiple state, districts, clubs and state combination state associations around the country, around the year. So the player will be getting remunerations. If he is good player, he'll be called in different parts of the nation, and maybe if he's a good player, maybe international. So this game is going to be a next game for all those enthusiasts who are ace level skaters, who can have the skating skills to the next level.
Any message to the youth from Meghalaya, sir, who would like to come forward and join the game, sir?
Who'd love to come forward. We have very enthusiastic leaders here in Meghalaya. Suklang is the secretary, and he himself is a skating instructor. So of course, yes, it is very open platform for us. Please get your enrollments done. Please join. Please learn, advance your skills, brush your skills. It's not like you need to have skill. Even if you're a skater, we have our coaches and instructors who will brush your skills to that level to be an international sportsman. Only thing is that you should have the zeal in yourself to play this game.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Meghalaya Rollerball Association. Teba filaman batay ni katu kan ni hapden ka journey jo hi but hatu pidan nem ka ik bakwa man kan tu ikna nang ni shakman hadin miki yeg ni ga jingen akam ta kasni
ti kum ngakarteng suklang dakhar baseng yagani ka rollerball mo Meghalaya ngara start ka journey na do 1996 por nangle school sha tesha dakhar sa Pune na to ngile sha ka roller skates ada na to pada ngile sa roller hockey na to pada 2000 shwa ka to 2003 ban register ngila le kai kan ka roll ball te por le kai kan ka roll ball long ka ball ka wan na te na basketball court ka wan sengi tengi shu kandok kai kan to ada na tagi si pass kan Te utu founder jong kani ka roll ball pada hawal. Utu pada yo idea. Te yo idea pada natu pada seseng ya kani ka sports kan. Te kani ka sports kadai kala registered ka Sports and Youth Affairs of Government of India. Bala itu ka Indian Olympic Association. Te ka university jong ki sports ru kala recognize king kani ka game. Ha national games jong kani ka Goa ru kala along kala debut. Te manta kumba wan iba friendly manin ru yong ba nilayo ka affiliation ya kani ka Meghalaya roll ball. Ngingi start kani ka roll ball ha 2019. Ada na ba ka wan ka COVID na tu ngi claim yo start bha ngi claim yo practice bha te ngi practice no na do 2022 kan. Te ars ne manta ngi inter ngi la practice te ki students tu la improve bha kila ayu bha kila basic kila don ko improvement ban participate ngi khmat kan. Te kata hingi penlong ya kani ka 4th Roll Ball Federation Cup hane bangin inspire ki khana bakin one page lekai join ya kani ka ayu ka kani ka sports kadai ba fast ba movement la karpari ki sarkaru bahkan yarab yangi ban kentiu ya kani ka game ru kumbang ba hane manta Meghalaya la jur plat ka jing sneu te ban ya like nak tu ki jing sneu kani mundai tang ka kani ka sports mo ka sports ka la ban penlat ni ki jing sneu boro te kani hakani ka sports ka wan kani ka discipline roll ball te ki ngakarpad ya ki parents ya ki students ya ki baro kini ki parents bakin one page hane adena ta one le kai ngi sim coaching hane St Anthony's High Secondary School hi ka te ka training center hane ha Don Bosco Anton Hall kata tingi ai khuble shisha nani ye Father Anthony ru bai ai opportunities ingi ban start hane te kum mai ru ibashim interest bahaya ka sports te ni ai khuble shibon shisha mun Meghalaya Roll Ball Association.
Hoi, kumba menta ngai bagi khana ke jongi ke simenta hakani ki layo ka wei ka experience. Bani lekai bat ki players ki botof negeri India borok ka wei. Hangni ki ladon gumnu sport league state bawan participate. Te nakaliang ka jonga ngakwa susu bagi khana bakin minat menteri sistem bakin yo ban kiu sekhamat namar kani ke wei ka sports ke badangwan thamai kani ka nongba ka jongi. Te nakani ka sports ndai ba kini kena kinle ke sport kon kut na hang ni kini ke sport kala banyelam nanti sa jangai ba nang ni ke sport pila banyo ka kam hang government nang ta pila ban long coach pila ban poi se national se international pila ban lekai pin represent ni ke India ru tingi kerpa di kena bakin kisim kya ban kit kya ya kani ke sport bat nga kerpa di gi wei be kena badan men sim bukwa ban wan te kini ka sports ki sim class support St Anthony's College St Anthony's Don Bosco Anton Hall te smo ba bakin yawan te bat skibai binta jong district ng simi kum sanong ston juai te kum ta ng kerpat sa boyru ng sedang sa Goro Hills ng sedang namar boro igi district ni kwa ban upgrade de kini ka sports namar kum sabar si India kala akiu ba hangi kadang sedang tengah kerpat kini ki long hack kijongi bakin ya IKT lang ban aimen sim lang banyarap yangi ban penkiwi kani ke sport menta borok ke ke Meghalaya ki khana menta ki bang join ki na East Coast Hills nang ta don na West Coast Hills na West Genja Hills te nang kita ki khana namar bang ipat yo iban sedang sikiwai ki district tangi dangile menta kat bala ngile banlet sikiwai district ngila introduce ke game kila i tang bang ipat poi sekata kathong bangin yo ban sedang kata ka jongki tang nang ni sikmat kumba PE kini ke game ko long ke batamai hapo kanang ba ka jongi tigidang simpori ki bagin learn ni kini ke game ngila batai ngila yu tang ba sin bang ila yo lat ban sedang te obviously nga tiknai ba kiru kin sngo tanat bakin ailat i namar kini ke sports kalong finde ken kalong compare to swimming pool and basketball te kini kalong very hard working sports ta ki kena ki buwan hakani ki bodon interest sisa ki la ban kiu bat ngakerpat i bagi kena jongi bagin tre sistem namar ka game kum pilai i kani ka ban ra bol bat ban skit agi skit kam dei bakai ban pai ke isuk tang kam dei bakai tang ngakerpat i kena bagin tre sistem tang kita kantin tu boleh subur.
I joined skating around June of last year, and I joined skating because it was like a very exhilarating sport. I first learned skating when I was 9, but I did it as like a time pass hobby. But then one of my cousins actually told me about this academy, and my mom decided to send me here. Ever since I joined, I have been like the happiest person on earth. The coaches and all the players, all my teammates have given me the best advices. They've given me so many memories. We've made so many memories together, and that's basically it.
Hiban meu jenai nang kering ada nak school saya secondary school. Dia ngasla jaga dengan spon ado arjar kenai. Ada student manikong tu jang sesuruang dekhar. Entah apa kuali apa entah apa di kelas 6 di kuali sibun hai badminton kuali bah. Di hari pada entah apa i father i principal jaga school i yang masuk marwai di ikut ke yang abang dia skate entah apa mai kendua ya Entah ya tentang kembali lanjut entah apa first skating. Tu masa pertama yang ada skate kam skobang ti. Masa pertama saya tu khana kan jeng iba Maharashtra dan kena game rollerball. Dia ngaruh kala some interest. Ngaruh some interest kena game ti. Ngaruh tu kelas 6 selakah tu mentang di kelas 9 plus menerung ya Niaran haka quarter final daripada I feel like winner because we are playing with superior teams, so I'm feeling like a winner.
Nadu first day kan ngai iba dan kibalik kai mo ha hangte ha Anton Hall tinga ngasi South Schooling inga park hang tu. Okay, then I like it so much kan tinga encourage iba enjoying kan they la join like from the day she joined, she enjoyed a lot. They encourage her parents along back in enjoy ki kun mo. Actually, ki hang ne hapo chilong the ong roll ball. Like they think like, what kind of sports is that? Okay. They ngong baki especially ki neki parents ki diban encourage bhai ki khun jongki, and then ki teachers from school ru larangi ong bai job hakani ru like ki ong bai kim dashim kata-kata ken namal kam long ka football ne basketball itu kan tangba like it's a very good game. It's an extreme series of extreme sports more good sports.